Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a bio in the Picsart app on your phone. Whether you are new to Picsart or just want to update your profile, this quick guide will help you set up a clear and personal bio so others can learn more about you easily. First, open the Picsart app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and click on the pen icon. Next, scroll down the main profile page until you find the About Me section. Here is where you can write a short description about yourself. Make it simple, clear, and informative so anyone visiting your profile can quickly understand who you are or what your page is about. Then, once you have typed your bio, it will save automatically without the need for any extra buttons. You can also come back anytime to edit or update it if you want to change your description or add something new. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.